Wow!
Alright, yan guys, pabalik na kami guys. Hi ladies. Hi ladies. Busy. It's working nga. Hi guys, picture na sila. Ayan na guys ko doon. Nauna kunti. Balik nga, pabalik. Isa sa pinaka magandang spot dito sa El Nido. Tingnan uy, ito yung tol. Kautot pa. Kautot na yun. May ipin sa palaka. Nakautot magbinugsay akong kauban. Next stop namin Secret Beach. Titingnan namin kung kung kaya o hindi. So tingin ko naman kaya naman. Oh. Hi. Yung iba, practice pa eh. Masyadong magaling. Masyadong marunong magtalo. Unahan natin sila, unahan natin. The first one, sir. Here, first one. Yeah, the first one boat. Green, white. Unahin natin sila sakay. Nabibidyo-bidyoan ko lang. Aw.
Hindi, mali. Doon talaga sa kabila.
This side. Sir. Wrong. This one. This one. Yun pala. Namali. Oo naman, namali pa. Yeah. Because we have the same company only. That's why the namali. Kala namin ito individual. Wala pa pala si ano? Wala pa si Romel? Kala ko nakalis na kayo. Ay, nandun sa bigas. Buti naman, tinuro mo. Sasakay sana. Tol, bangga tol ah. Wait sir, wait. Sige, tuloy. Tuloy lang. Naligaw kami doon ng bangka kasi magkaparehas lang ng laki ang ano, yung boat ng L1 at saka DB dyan. Lapitan mo konti. Jack! Alis mo na. Dito pala tayo tol. Dito lang. Dito tayo pala. Dito. Atas ano? Atas ano? Dito tayo. Dito lang tayo dito. Dito lang muna tayo. Dito lang. Sakayin muna natin sila. Alright. Ayos lang tol? Sana ayos ka lang. Huwag kang malala tol, bibigyan kita ng tip mamaya. Bibigyan kita 50 panigarilyo, okay na yan. Bibigyan ko to guys, yung kaibigan ko 50 lang pang panigarilyo niya. Okay. There we go. Bigyan mo ko. Ayan. Alvin, sama ko Alvin. Ayan guys, ayan sila. Beach muna siguro tayo. You have a nice video, a nice picture.
Thank you so much.
How are you, sir? Good. Yeah. Good, ma'am? Yeah. This video documented my YouTube channel to Gadget TV. Nag-timing kayo sa tour guide na vlogger, ma'am. Kada biyahe ko every travel sir, I do my YouTube. Yeah, while I'm doing my job.
May YouTube na talaga?
It's only for my documentary, not to make money.
Oh no,
just only for
likes?
Yeah, I have a 1,700 subscribers.
Followers.
Yeah, followers.
Show your channel so we can
In my
subscribe.
YouTube channel.
You'll get 6 more. Yeah.
Later, in Papaya Beach, they have a signal. So if we have time, we can search na YouTube.
Okay,
if you have
yeah.
if you have YouTube account.
Oh, diba?
Is
Yan.
Papaya Beach private to Funny Lion?
Yeah,
It is
it's a Funny Lion only, but my company is open for the Papaya Beach if they wanted to go to Papaya. So our company and Funny Lion is business, yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it's partners.
We can go.
So now our next stop, we go first to the Secret Beach, Secret Lagoon. Yeah, because this time not so crowded.
Okay,
Yeah.
yeah.
After Secret Lagoon, snorkeling before your lunch.
Okay.
Right. Yes. Oh, this one I show you. This is one of the oldest resort in El Nido. This is the Menelok Island Resort. Owner by Ayala, ma'am.
Of course.
More than 30 years the resort, and if you stay, if you check in for one day, is 25,000 to 30,000 per day. For one per
25,000?
yes,
Peso,
Philippine
that's
pesos,
expensive.
Philippine money. Philippine money. This one is the third one expensive. The third one. The first one expensive is 50 to 70,000. A part of Turbi, that is Pangulasyan Island Resort. Yun yung pinakauna. Pangatlong ito. Yeah. I don't know, sir.
Darling's brother is married to Ayala.
Every morning, sir, their guests, every morning, their guests, they look on the fish pond, then they feed for the fish. And if you want to request to grill the fish, the crew take the fish to grill. So that is the story of the beach. All right.